just think being responsible with it and being able to manage my time wisely, doing my homework when I need to at a reasonable hour, it always helps. Whenever we're on the bus, we can convert the beds into tables and then we'll work on our homework there. Or whenever we're in our hotel before we go to bed, or if we have free time, we can do it there as well. My mother, she played volleyball at the University of Houston actually, and my brother, he just graduated playing basketball here. I think whenever times get challenging, I think they should remember why they're playing this sport and how much they love it, you know. I think once you can look back on that, they'll understand why they're working so hard. I think my best memory of all time will always be whenever we beat Creighton at home for our home opener last year.